I'm inside the car with the air conditioning on because you already know it's blazing saddles outside because I'm in Texas. But I'm going to address the piano black. Now, this is something that has been going on for a number of years now when I've had this car. And for anybody else who has piano black in their car, they already know that it's a magnet for scratches and fingerprints. So we're going to address it today. And here's what I'm talking about. So we got this center console, piano black there, piano black back here, just piano black everywhere, up there, around the cluster. It's just a plethora of piano black, and I'm trying to go ahead and get rid of it, okay? And I got something for that. So a while back, I was on Facebook, right? And somebody posted up a picture of their interior, the area that I just showed you, and it was like in a matte color. I thought they wrapped it. And they said, no, there's this company in the UK that makes this pre-cut PPF kit for our car. It ain't the cheapest thing in the world. I'm sure somebody's gonna go on Amazon and find a roll of the same stuff for much cheaper, just cut it and do it themselves. I was being lazy. This isn't a paid ad. This isn't anything I'm just shouting out a company that's making something for our cars that could be beneficial to a lot of people. IPP, Innovative Paint Protection Solutions. Now, I guess their real thing is paint protection film on the outside of cars, but they somehow made this little kit for our cars. And what that includes is, you really can't tell what this is, but this goes on the outside of this whole border. It covers that. I didn't get one for the screen. I may later. I didn't get one now, right? Then we have a roll of, how about I take it out the package, huh? That'd be nice. I have a roll of this stuff right here. This roll includes multiple pieces that go where I just showed you before. Center console, down the middle, all these right here. See? This going towards the back. All this gets covered. I think there might be one area that isn't covered, and I think it's this little section right here, this little piece in the middle. I might have an idea for that. I can deal with that a little bit there as opposed to the plethora of piano black I got. So I have a little kit that comes some spray solution, a little squeegee. I'm not a professional paint protection film doer, but I'm gonna figure this out. I'm gonna put you up on the little suction cup tripod I got on the windshield, and y'all gonna follow me do this. I'm hoping it's quick. I hope it's just gets on and does what it needs to do appropriately. This is the rollout. It got all the pieces pre-cut. I don't even know if you can really see it on this white border, but there's like pre-cut pieces on here. You really can't. I mean, you could tell a little bit, but regardless, here's what we're gonna do first. Let me take out my little kit so that we can see what we work. I'm gonna just wipe it down a bit. I'm gonna spray this on there. Right here, see? But you really do need to spray, I guess, the solution stuff. A little bit harder than I imagined. All right, that piece is done. I get a little bit of a fast forward because I had to get that piece on and not have the camera on, but it's all right. So there's another piece that I put on around here. You probably can see it. I'm gonna, work to get this set up how I need it to be. Just find the piece we need. I didn't have to spray it down there. Yes, there's a squeegee. I've come to find out that my technique was using the microfiber towel is a lot better. Kind of so this. So that goes down like that. That goes down like that. This goes down like this. Okay. So I'm trying to. That's the piece where I need it. And this needs to get adjusted. So up here, this area I kind of got right away. But all I'm doing now is lightly pressing on the edges. And now we're gonna put a little piece on the climate control. I kind of. We talk Carl. I have to kind of, this goes like so. Here. Okay, hold on, I forgot to move around a bit. Get it settled into where it needs to go. I'm gonna be honest. So you saw that video where I was putting on little film for the piano black and all that stuff on the car, right? And I don't like it. I know that sounds crazy considering how much I don't like the piano black, but I put the film on and I'm just not feeling it. And this is what I do these videos for, even for you, anybody out there that's probably thinking about buying this. Yes, if you think about how much money I spent on the thing, yes, it's down the drain, but you just gotta do certain things to find out. And I'm gonna tell you why I don't like it. Let me show you. From a distance, you can see it looks very matte, right? And that looks good for most people. They see it's like, oh, look, it's matte. You got rid of a lot of the piano black. It looks good. But what you can't see is if you look from the naked eye, and the video camera really gonna pick it up. But if you get real close, you can tell that it's basically a film or sticker on the piano black, meaning very close to the edges, you can still see the piano black, and around the sides, it's just really sitting on top. And even if you come back here to this main area back here, this big area that has, I took down the armrest. If you see this big area right here, you can still see the piano black around the edges of it. Now, for some people, not a big deal. Man, the sun's like in my eye. For some people, not a big deal. Just for me, and the way I was looking at how I wanted this to look and be, I just don't like it. Now, I don't know what to do next, honestly. I know there's carbon fiber pieces and things like that I could do on this. I think ultimately what I'm gonna have to do, which is what other people have done, is I'm gonna need to take all these pieces out and either paint them, spray, scuff it, paint it down with something matte, wrap it completely in some type of vinyl, because I'm not gonna get what I want with this like pre-cut film, which makes installation fairly easier, but it isn't the result that I want. So I'm not knocking the company, because their stuff, they make the film as they make it. But for anybody that's looking into this, just remember that like it sits on top of the pieces in the car, but the very close edges, you're gonna be able to see the piano black still. It's not the look I want. Listen, we're gonna rinse and repeat, and we're gonna do this again. I'm gonna find out another solution. I'll keep it on the car for now, but it's gonna be coming off, and I'll figure out something else for it. But listen, that's just a little update on the part.